How to turn off noise cancelling on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section at the top and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down and go to Phone Noise Cancellation. As you can see, the phone noise cancellation feature is currently turned on. Noise cancellation reduces ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. Now, turn off this feature as shown. Following these steps, you can easily turn off noise cancelling on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.